Hey you, let's have a look at the Catbus Bento. The much beloved Catbus is now a bento box, and I had to get one. The depth of each compartment is very nice, so no squished rice balls. And they have a really great seal, though they are not leak-proof specifically. The upper portion holds 210 milliliters, and the lower holds 250 mils, with a removable divider cup, which I find is very reasonable for most kids and people who don't really eat that much. The inner portions are dishwasher safe, but I probably wouldn't, as the dishwasher can be really hard on things. The colors on the Catbus portion are vibrant and sturdy, but do be careful because it will scratch. At $45 Canadian for a licensed item of this quality, I do find the price to be about what I would expect, though I did buy it on sale at $36. Overall, I think if you like Totoro items, this would be a great item to add to your collection. Totoro holds a very special place in mine and my children's hearts, as it was their introduction to non-English content. Thanks so much for watching. I love you all. Take care, and I'll see you next time.